This is just a quick video because I ran into an error code E08 and I had this cord which that's a C cord attached, and I didn't know what to do. So I kept looking things up. I couldn't find anything, and I didn't get a manual of mine. So I went ahead and called Amazon, and I spoke to the lady who told me there's a PDF file, and I will list the link for that below. And I also encourage you to go back and watch the video from Hobotech to see if there's anything that he had said. But I told the lady I only had so many days to return it, and she told me to wait. It was like 3 minutes on hold, and come to find out, it was my cord. She asked me to switch my cords out. I did, and I had no problems. So this cord we're gonna get rid of, but it was just a matter of a bad power cord. So if you get the E08 error code on yours and your cord changing doesn't work, they're so helpful when you call. I would just go ahead and make the call because now it's working fine. So I just wanted to do a quick video on that because I couldn't find anywhere that would let me know what an E08 error code means. That's all. And this is on the GoLabs 300 watt power bank. I call it a power bank, so people call it the solar generator. Anyway, that's all for now. You have a good day. Bye.